Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Imagine turning just $500 into a business that rakes in over $100,000 a year. Sounds impossible? Well, stick around because today, I'm revealing 10 game-changing businesses you can start with just $500. Get ready to be inspired and take notes because this is the roadmap to your financial freedom. Welcome back to John's Masterclass, Life and Wealth, the place where we turn dreams into reality. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and strategies to make money, solve life problems, and crush anxiety. Now, let's dive into today's topic. 10 businesses you can start with just $500 that can earn you over $100,000 or more a year. Let's take a moment to talk about the foundation of our entrepreneurial journey today. Starting a business might seem daunting, especially when thinking about the capital involved. But here's the good news. You don't need tens of thousands of dollars to get started. In fact, you can kickstart your entrepreneurial dreams with as little as $500. How? Through jobber businesses. So, what exactly are jobber businesses? These are small service-based businesses that fulfill essential needs in our daily lives. They might not always be glamorous, but they are the backbone of our communities and often fly under the radar. Think about the last time you needed a handyman, a dog walker, or a professional organizer. These are all examples of jobber businesses. The beauty of these ventures lies in their simplicity and low startup costs, making them perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs with limited funds. Why are jobber businesses a great choice for new entrepreneurs? Here are a few reasons. Low startup costs. You don't need a massive investment to get started. With $500, you can cover basic supplies, initial marketing, and maybe even some essential training or certifications. High demand. These services are always in demand because they cater to everyday needs. Whether it's cleaning, lawn care, or pet sitting, there's always a market for reliable service providers. Flexibility. Many of these businesses offer flexibility in terms of hours and scale. You can start part-time while keeping your day job and gradually transition to full-time as your business grows. Scalability. Once established, many jobber businesses can be scaled up. You can hire employees, expand your service area, and add new services to increase your revenue. Before we delve into the specific businesses, let's talk about some key strategies to ensure your success. Market research. Understand the needs of your local community. What services are in demand? What are the going rates for these services? Who are your competitors? Networking. Build relationships within your community. Word-of-mouth referrals can be incredibly powerful in growing your business. Quality service. Focus on providing exceptional service. Happy customers are likely to become repeat clients and refer you to others. Marketing. Use your initial investment wisely. Simple strategies like flyers, business cards, and social media can help you reach potential customers without breaking the bank. Customer feedback. Listen to your customers and continually improve your services based on their feedback. This helps in building a loyal customer base and improving your reputation. With these strategies in mind, let's dive into the top 10 businesses you can start with just $500 and have the potential to earn you $100,000 or more annually. These businesses span a variety of industries, from cleaning and lawn care to pet services and event planning. Each of them has the potential to grow significantly, provided you put in the effort and dedication needed to make them succeed. Ready to explore these opportunities? Let's get started. 1. Cleaning services. Starting a cleaning service is one of the most straightforward businesses you can launch with minimal investment. With your $500, you can purchase high-quality cleaning supplies, such as disinfectants, mops, vacuums, and cleaning cloths. The key to success in this business lies in reliability and attention to detail. Begin by offering your services to friends and family to build a small client base. Once you have a few satisfied customers, ask them for referrals and testimonials. You can also advertise locally through flyers, community boards, and social media. As your reputation grows, you can expand your services to include commercial cleaning or specialized cleaning for events and post-construction sites, which can significantly increase your income. 2. Lawn care and landscaping. Lawn care and landscaping is another fantastic business to start with a small budget. With $500, you can invest in basic lawn care equipment such as a lawnmower, trimmer, and some gardening tools. Begin by offering your services to neighbors and local residents. Most homeowners appreciate a well-maintained lawn but might not have the time or inclination to do it themselves. Market your services by emphasizing the convenience and professional touch you provide. Over time, as you accumulate more clients, you can offer additional services like landscaping design, tree trimming, and seasonal yard cleanups. This business is highly scalable and can grow to include a team of employees and a fleet of equipment. 3. Mobile car wash and detailing. A mobile car wash and detailing business allows you to bring your services directly to your customers, offering them convenience and quality. With an initial investment of $500, you can purchase car cleaning supplies such as soaps, waxes, brushes, and microfiber towels. Start by targeting local neighborhoods and businesses with your services. Many people are willing to pay a premium for the convenience of having their car cleaned at their home or office. Offer different packages, from basic washes to full detailing services. As you build a loyal customer base, consider expanding your offerings to include fleet services for local businesses, which can provide a steady stream of income. 4. Handyman services. If you're skilled with tools and enjoy fixing things, a handyman business could be perfect for you. With your initial $500 investment, you can purchase essential tools and materials to get started. Handyman services are always in demand, whether it's for minor home repairs, installations, or maintenance tasks. Market your services by highlighting your reliability and wide range of skills. Start with small jobs and build a reputation for quality work. As your business grows, you can take on larger projects and even offer specialized services such as plumbing, electrical work, or home renovations. This versatility can significantly boost your income potential. 5. Pet sitting and dog walking. Pet sitting and dog walking are ideal businesses for animal lovers. With $500, you can invest in basic pet supplies like leashes, toys, and treats, as well as create marketing materials to promote your services. Many pet owners are willing to pay well for trustworthy and reliable care for their pets while they're at work or on vacation. Offer personalized services such as daily walks, playtime, feeding, and even overnight stays. Build trust with your clients by providing regular updates and ensuring their pets are well cared for. As your client base grows, you can expand your services to include pet grooming or training, increasing your earning potential. 6. Tutoring services. If you have expertise in a particular subject, tutoring can be a highly rewarding and profitable business. With your initial $500, invest in educational materials, a reliable internet connection, and marketing. Offer your services to students in your local area or online. Tutoring can cover a wide range of subjects, from academic support in math and science to test preparation for exams like the SAT or ACT. Create personalized lesson plans to address each student's needs and track their progress. As your reputation grows, consider offering group sessions or specialized courses, which can significantly increase your hourly rate and overall income. 7. Home organizing. Home organizing is a growing field as more people seek to declutter and optimize their living spaces. With $500, you can purchase organizational tools such as bins, labels, and storage solutions, and create marketing materials. Start by offering your services to friends, family, and local community members. Highlight your ability to create neat, functional, and aesthetically pleasing spaces. Provide before and after photos to showcase your work. As you gain more clients, you can offer additional services like moving assistance, seasonal organizing, and digital organization. Building a strong online presence with testimonials and tips can also attract more customers. 8. Freelance graphic design. If you have a talent for design, freelance graphic design can be a lucrative business. With $500, invest in design software like Adobe Creative Suite and create a professional portfolio. Start by offering your services on freelance platforms and reaching out to local businesses. Graphic design services can include logo creation, branding, marketing materials, and web design. Focus on building a diverse portfolio that showcases your versatility and creativity. Network with other professionals and attend local business events to find new clients. As you gain experience, you can specialize in a niche market, allowing you to charge higher rates and attract more specific clientele. 9. Event planning. Event planning is perfect for those who are organized and love coordinating details. With an initial $500, create marketing materials and a professional website to showcase your services. Start by planning small events like birthday parties, community gatherings, or corporate meetings. Emphasize your ability to handle all aspects of event planning, from venue selection and decoration to catering and entertainment. Build a network of reliable vendors and partners to ensure you can provide high-quality services. As you build your reputation, you can take on larger and more complex events, such as weddings or large corporate events, which can significantly increase your income. 10. Fitness training. If you're passionate about fitness and helping others achieve their health goals, becoming a personal trainer could be an excellent business opportunity. With $500, get certified through a reputable program and purchase some basic fitness equipment. Offer personalized training sessions at local gyms, parks, or clients' homes. Create customized workout plans and provide nutritional advice to help your clients reach their fitness goals. Use social media to showcase your expertise and share success stories. As you build a client base, consider offering group classes or online training sessions to reach a wider audience and increase your earning potential. And there you have it, 10 incredible businesses you can start with just $500 that have the potential to earn you over $100,000 a year. Remember, the key to success is dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn and adapt. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to John's Masterclass, Life and Wealth, for more tips and strategies to achieve your financial and personal goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Drop a comment below and let me know which business idea you're most excited about, or if you have any other low-cost, high-reward business ideas. I'd love to hear from you. And remember, every big success starts with a small step. Take yours today.